Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D butterfly wing, which is a mathematical model using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So NumPy is imported for numerical calculations for arrays, and matplotlib.pyplot is imported for 2D plot and 3D plot and visualizations. And now we'll create parameter grids. So here U controls the angular direction, which is, think of it like horizontal spread of the wing, and V controls the vertical sweep of curvature of the wings, and mesh grid creates a 2D grid to evaluate the parametric surface over. And now we'll define the parametric equations. So here these equations build a curved sinusoidal surface that resembles butterfly wings, where x and y give a spiraling surface shape using a modified polar coordinate system, and here the term 1 plus 0.5 into cos v gives depth and curvature, and z controls the vertical deformation, making the wings appear flapping or wavy, and sin v gives the main vertical, and 0.2 into sin 3 into u adds a ripple or flutter pattern mimicking wing. Now we'll set up the 3D plot. So this creates a square figure of 6 into 6 inches with a 3D plotting environment. And now we'll So here plot surface draws a 3D shape where CMap is equals to cool warm uses a smooth gradient of blue to red, and edge color is K adds a black grid line for better surface structure visibility, and alpha is equals to 0.9, which is a slight transparency for softness. We'll customize the plot and axis. So ax.setTitle sets a suitable title to the plot, and ax.set x, y and z label sets the axis label for the suitable axis. And tight layout adjusts padding between plot elements, and plt.show displays the 3D. So here we can